Hey guys, I'm back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some new pets coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have some new pets that are going to be coming to the game. They're actually in the game already. Some of them just aren't obtainable yet. 2 of them aren't obtainable. A lot of them are. I think 3 or 4 of them are. And we can see the first one right here is called Cosminator. So this is an evolution of Cosmoster, and they also changed how Cosmoster looks. So we can see that they went for more of a pink with a lot of light colors. So it has some light yellow, some light pink, and some light blue. Before, it was more of just like a red. So this is what it looks like. It has a health of 2,700, a power of 940, a dodge of 940, a defense of 1980, and an order of 107. And this is a protector. And its description is they are great explorers of the stars and often hitch rides on passing comets to move between systems. So the spells for this are Crash 3, which has a power of 9,690, an aim of 1220, and a recharge of 1. It's going to have a spell effect of power down. Its next spell is Weakening Flash, which these are the stats for that. That does power down as well. And then we have Vitamin Dust, which is a random. And then we have Celestial Vortex. I don't remember ever hearing of this spell. It might be new, I'm not 100% sure. And I did just check, and I think all these spells are new. So, moving on. I don't think there are any other legendary pets, but I'll go ahead and check. There don't seem to be. Okay, yeah, actually there is one. There's Aquinator right here. Also, you can now get Cryospike with hacks, but we're going to be looking at Aquinator right here. This is an evolution of Aquaster. So this is what it looks like. It's going to have a health of 2,910, power of 1250, dodge of 780, defense of 1720, and an order of 90. And its description is equally adept on land and in water. And Aquinator is the ideal beach pet. So you can get this. You can also get the other one, which was like Cosminator or something like that. If you evolve your Aquaster or Cosmoster to get it. So this is going to have a spell called Soak, which is new. It'll also have Weakening Wave 3, which I believe is new. Vitamin Serum, I believe, is new as well. And then Ocean Vortex, I think, is probably new as well, although I'm not 100% sure on that. Then, if we keep going down, we have a new pet called Bonabetite. This is going to be the second evolution in the Bone Pterosaur chain, or I guess it's probably called Bonosaur now. So this is what it's going to look like. You're obviously not going to be able to get this on level 150. You'll probably only be able to get it on level 40. But if it is on level 150, it would have a health of 2200, a power of 1750, a dodge of 1350, a defense of 800, and an order of 97. And the description for this is when a Bonabite's teeth grow in, it must leave the boneyard for suitable prey. Then we have its spells, which are Taunting Cry 2, Spike Quake 2, which has a stat effect of Gloom, Bone Bite, and then Terrific Crunch. So I think these are all new spells as well. Then if we keep going down, we will get to Cosmotan. This is going to be the first evolution of Cosmoster. I don't think that this one is obtainable yet, just because you can't evolve Cosmoster to get it. And I don't think it's able to be caught anywhere in the world yet. So this is going to have a health of 2,390. If it were on level 150, you can't get it to level 150. Its power is going to be 830, dodge of 830, defense of 1750, and an order of 107. Its description is going to be, they often build their homes on well-ventilated asteroids. Its spells are going to be Crash 1, Weakening Flash 1, Vitamin Mix, and Astral Vortex. All, I believe, are new spells. Then The next pet that we have to look at is Aquinaut, which is the first evolution of Aquaster. You cannot get this one. This one was sort of leaked earlier in Pet Rescue, which is an island in Game Island. So you could know what this looks like already, but this is what it looks like in game. We'll also go ahead and look at its attack animation a little later. But this is going to have a health of 2,580. Of course, you can't get this on level 150. Its power would be 1,100, dodge of 690, defense of 1520, and an order of 93. And its description is going to be, while they are superb swimmers, Aquanauts only walk on land after they gain confidence. And these the spells are Soak 1, Weakening Wave 1, Vitamin Drink, and Water Vortex. So I'm pretty sure that is every single pet that was added. So now we'll go ahead and look at the attack animations. This is the one for Aquinator. So it kind of just slams its tail on the ground. We can also look at its idle, which about what you would expect, and then its walk is it's sort of waddling around. So that is Aquinator. We also have, I believe this is Aquinaut. This is its attack animation. So it sort of just jumps up in the air. Here is its idle animation, and then here is its walk animation. Then we also have, I believe this is like Bonebite or something like that. So that is its attack animation. It sort of just roars. Then we also have its idle, which is just it standing around. And then its walk animation, which about pretty much the same as Bonasaur, I'd say. Then we have, this is like Cosminator or something like that. This is its attack animation, so it's pretty much the exact same as Aquinator. Kind of just slams its tail on the ground. Here is its idle animation, and then here is its walk animation, where it again just waddles around. Then we have, this is like Cosmonaut or something like that. This is its attack animation. It jumps pretty much the exact same as Aquinaut. Here is its idle animation, and then here is the walk animation. So pretty much the exact same as Aquinaut, just different colors. Then the final one, we'll go ahead and look at Cosmoster, since I guess it's sort of different. The colors got changed, pretty much the exact same in animation. Here's the idle, and then here's the walk. Pretty much everything's the exact same except it's just different colors. And then finally, we have a couple of new leaked pet gears. I don't think these are too important. This one's called, or it's just a hat. I don't know what the name of it is. This is kind of just like a feather in a jar. I'd assume this is probably like a feather pen. And then we have another one that is a pen. So yeah, nothing too interesting there. This one is a relic. The first one I showed was a hat. And then we also do have some stuff about featured pets. I talked about this a little in my last video, I believe. There's basically going to be something in Wizard Watch called a featured pet, which is pretty much self-explanatory, I would assume. But basically a pet's going to spawn inside of Lamplight Town, and you're going to have a week to be able to catch it. That's pretty much all you need to know about it. You'll have a week to catch some random pet. I have no idea what the pet is going to be, but it'll spawn inside of Lamplight Town, and I guess it'll probably be exclusive there for that week. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.